interface. After writing this, let's see the interface and how to navigate through the sheet. Let's see the interface of this. For that, actually, you have to draw this, but let's see what's there in your book. So, okay, they have given what is spreadsheets. It's given spreadsheet features, like these things, okay. So they have given some drawings, so no need to write down the same thing. Even the interface is given. This is called name box. Name box එකේ තියෙන්නේ දැන් ඉන්න cell එකේ row එකයි, sorry, column එකයි row එකයි. G7, what is G7? This one. G7. G7. Current column, current row. G column, 7th row. That is name box. And then the column means this side. You have vertically, you have columns. A column, B column, C column, D column, E column, F column. And then you have row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. These are rows. Row 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are rows. And this single cell, single one is called a cell. It's a cell. And cell range means multiple cells. Multiple selected cells called cell range. This is a cell. So these are given in the book, actually page number 24. These are given. So let's write, let's draw the spreadsheet without, so no need to write this again. So let's draw the basic spreadsheet. So these features basically, the quick access toolbar, then these ribbons, home ribbon, insert ribbon, draw these ribbons, and then the name box, this one, it's okay. Then the title bar is in the top. Title bar is in the top. And here in the bottom, you can see views, different views. If you have data, different views like this. සාමාන්‍යයෙන් මේ page එක දැන් මෙහෙම නිකම් බලලා අපිට කියන්න බෑ. So නිකම්ම බලලා කියන්න බෑ. ඒ වෙනුවට අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන් දැන් print වෙන විදිහ. This is very large, no? This is very large. But how to print and all, you can see from the second view. Here, views are there. This is second view. You can see, you will get like three printouts, 3 papers. Paper 1, paper 2, and paper 3. Here also you can see that clearly. Page 1, page 2, and page 3. You will get 3 pages printout if you print this. 3-page printout. Then you can organize the content. So that is the view changer here. And this is status bar. This is status bar. So let's draw this and write quickly. Draw the interface and name these things. Okay, I can help you. I can help you. Don't draw everything, right? That is not required. Draw like this. Okay, so can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, draw like this. Only the main features. Just highlight the main features. Don't highlight everything. Please draw this quickly. Quick access toolbar, it's in the top. Here you can see the quick access toolbar. මේ ඕනම එකක තියෙනවා. Office application වල. Home, save, undo, redo, print. මේකට ඕන නම් අපිට අලුත් එකක් දාගන්නත් පුළුවන්. Here you can put more commands. Let's put a spelling checker. Spelling and grammar checker. Where's that? Here is spelling and grammar. Let's add this and save. Let's add this and save. Spelling and grammar. So add this and save. And now you can see spelling and grammar checker. It's appearing in quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar means quick shortcuts. Quick shortcuts you put in quick access toolbar. Title bar means the heading. Yeah, grade 9, day 9. That is title bar. Heading of the document. Then the ribbons. Home ribbon, insert ribbon, draw ribbon. Those ribbons are there. Then you have name box and formula bar here. name box, and formula bar. Then the rows, here you have columns, cell, then scroll bars. This is page view, tab page view, status bar, worksheets, and worksheet navigation. Please quickly draw this. So next day, actually, we are planning to learn about how this functions and all, how this works. And I said that I'll always try to give something extra to you. This is extra thing, but it's very important still, right? So this is one site I found this very useful. So this is called animadrafts.com. It's very important thing, very useful website. Here you can see how, so you can see many simulations. For an example, how human eye works, right? How human eye works in the focusing light, and right. So let's go back and let's see how flat screen display works, right? So these are actually 3D animations. Right? Okay. You can see this is the monitor case and this is the light source. And this light travels to different layers and then it arrives here to the stream. So this is how it's working. So, but you cannot understand this now, but later when you learn and study to higher levels, you will understand this. And here, this is how human eye works. So these are 3D and 360-degree simulations. You can see the eye, cornea, iris, and then retina, and optical nerve, and how these signals go from this one and here. So what will happen when light comes to the eye? How you see that through the lens and all. And those things you can study. You can self-study through this. And this is how focusing happens. See the different layers. The light comes to the eye. This is the shade. And when you see that, it comes to the eye. And here, the iris open and change the dilated muscle. And then it goes and then create an image, and how focusing and defocusing happen. Those things you can see. Why sometimes the objects are blurred, why sometimes objects are not blurred, you can see it clearly. What happen if you if you get closer to something, you cannot exactly see that. But what happen if you see it from far away place, then the focus will be better. And the lens, what will happen to the lens when you focus a nearby object? That's why we ask you to look at some far away place after some time. Monitor එක දිහා බලාගෙන ටික වෙලාවක් ඉන්නකොට මේ lens එක මෙහෙම තද වෙලා තියෙන්නේ, because you are looking at near distance. That's why we ask you to, when using computers, look at far away places time to time. ටික ඈත බලන්න කියලා කියනවා. හේතුව it will relax your lens. Okay, you can learn like this. And the next thing, so here this is another thing. This shows this is again interactive practical. So let's show something. Okay, let's see this as a sun, and this is sun, and this light comes to the surface of water, and you can see it's bending. You know this is grade 9. You have this in grade 9. This is called refraction and reflection. This is reflected light and this is refracted light. Because speed is changing of light speed එක වෙනස් වෙන හින්දා තමයි මෙයා හැරිලා යන්නේ. මේ පොඩ්ඩක් හැරෙනවා. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ වතුර බේසමකට කකුල් දෙක දැම්මොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? අර මේ දාන තැනින් කැඩිලා වගේ පේනව නේද? දැකලා තියෙනවද එහෙම? Have you seen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. අර කකුල් දෙක මෙහෙම දැම්මොත් වතුර පේසමකට මේ දාන තැනින් බ්‍රේක් වෙලා වගේ කැඩිලා වගේ පල්ලයට ගිහිල්ලා පේනවා. ඒකට හේතුව මේ ලයිට් සෝස් එක හැරිලා යන හින්දා. That's why you see like that. Right? And this is reflection. දැන් මේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ දැකලා ඇති ජලාශයක් වගේ මේ වගේ වතුර තියෙනකොට මේකට වැටෙන ලයිට් එක පරාවර්තන වෙනවා. ඒක තමයි අපිට ඈතින් නම් බැලුවම අහස එහෙම පේන්නේ මේ වතුරේ. හරි. ඒ වගේම උදේම ඉරේ එළිය මෙහෙම ඈතින් නම් වැටෙද්දි මොකද වෙන්නේ අපි ඈතින් නම් බැලුවොත්? නැත්නම් හවස ඉරේ එළිය වැටෙද්දි. මෙහෙම බැලුවොත් අපිට පේනව නේද සන්සෙට් එකක්. උදේ බලද්දි සන්රයිස් එකක්. මේ ලොකු ඒරියා එකක් නිකන් කලර් පැච් එකක් වගේ. What's happening? එතකොට මේ sunset. So let's say sunset river. මේ පේන්නේ මේ ඉරේලිය වැටෙනා මේ ලොකු පැච් එකක් පේන්නේ කලර් පැච් එකක් වගේ මේ වගේ. It's like this. So how it happens? Because of the reflection. Because of the reflection. That's why you can see this. But if you see from top, wow, උඩින් නම් බැලුවොත් මෙහෙම. Then intensity of this is here. So let's check the intensity of this. 56%. But if you check from this angle, it is only 2%. ඒක ඒ හින්දා තමයි ඔයාලා අර මේ eclipse එකක් එහෙම තියෙද්දි වතුරෙන් බලන්නේ. නේ? මොනවාද eclipse කියන්නේ මොකක්ද සිංහලෙන්? It's a සූර්යග්‍රහණයක් තියෙද්දි. Eclipse සූර්යග්‍රහණය චන්ද්‍රග්‍රහණය. I can't remember the word. Solar eclipse. Yes. So you can see solar eclipse. So basically, so you look at the basin. එතකොට බේසමකින් තමයි බලන්නේ because intensity will be really low. So you can learn these things by doing practicals. You can learn. And if you are driving a car, so see this. If you are driving a car, how airbags works. It's very important to know how airbags. Yes, how airbags works. When there's an impact, how it happens. Okay, when there's an impact, you can see the sensors are sending these details and to the now airbag is on. Okay, when you knock the obstacle, sensors are activating and those sensors are sending this flood and then this is the airbag system in a car. Okay, so those are the extra things. You can use IT to explore some other subjects. That's what I want to give you. You can use ICT to explore other subjects. You can learn science, you can learn engineering. So then you can change this one day. You can change this one day. You can see the top rated countries in STEM, science, technology, engineering and mathematics. China, Singapore, Estonia, Japan, South Korea, Canada, Finland, Poland, Ireland, UK. But Sri Lanka you cannot see here. Not even nearby. But if you want to change, we have to start a little. That's one of my aim. I want to change the country. But I will start from the ground level, from you. You are the plants. If we plant you correctly, you will grow up and change the future. We can't expect rulers to do that, so that will never happen. But you and me can change it. So I'll help, but you can definitely change it. I can't change, I know, but you can change it. So try to make your country proud. Don't proud because of your country. So this is applicable for your school as well. Don't be proud because of your school, but try to make your school proud. So that is very important. Okay then, with that, I'll stop for today. And do you have any questions? You can just let me know. I'll discuss the remaining part in the next day, right? If any questions, please let me know through WhatsApp. Then good night. See you all in next week.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.